Students, welcome you all on Rishikul Online School, the best platform for providing online education to the students. I welcome you again. Students, this is module number 5, and in this module we shall discuss the topic A House is Not a Home. It has been written by Jen Gadieso and it has been taken from your book Moments. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the story further. So let's discuss. On getting inside, Jane saw that a big table had been set up with different things, all for Jane. His schoolmates had brought school supplies, notebooks, jeans, tops, sweatsuits, etc. He felt as if it were Christmas. The generosity of his schoolmates overwhelmed him. Those who had never spoken to him came up and introduced themselves. Many invited him to their houses. Jen finally felt relieved and made friends that day. So students, rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the story further. So let's discuss. A month later, he was at his house watching it being rebuilt. It was a different experience this time, as two of his friends from the new school were with him. The fire had helped Jen indirectly. He had stopped paying attention to his feelings of insecurity and had opened up to the wonderful people around. He realized that his life too was getting rebuilt along with his house. As he sat planning his new bedroom, he heard someone walk up to him from behind. A voice asked, "Does this belong to you?" He turned around and couldn't believe his eyes because there stood a woman holding his lost cat. So, students, rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So, let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the story further. So let's discuss. He leapt up, grabbed the cat and held her close to him. His friends hugged his cat and jumped around. It seemed that the cat had got so scared due to the fire that she ran over a mile away. Although her collar had the owner's phone number, but it had been disconnected because of the fire. Still, the woman who found the cat took her in and finally brought her back to Jan. As Jan sat with his friends and his cat curled up in his lap, his feelings of loss and tragedy seemed to fade away. He felt gratitude for his life, for his new friends, the kindness of a stranger, and his beloved cat. Jan too had returned to his normal cheerful life like his cat had returned home. So students, this is the story and I hope that you might have understood very well, and in the next module we shall discuss the next chapter. So wait for the next module and keep watching the module. Thank you.